Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet tutorial series. So in today's tutorial series, we need these important materials. First is the thread, any brand. This is milk cotton yarn. We have hook. I will use 4.5 mm, and also this one. Okay, the cutter or scissor, hindi ko alam tawag dito. Basta ito. Anything that you can use to cut the yarn. Okay. Today, we will learn the very first step in crochet, which is the slip knot. So we need yarn. I will teach you how to make a knot. There are different ways to make a knot. This is the simplest. First is make a loop using your yarn like this. Make a loop using your yarn. Pull the working yarn through the loop, just like this. Ayan. Pull the working yarn through the loop, and then insert your hook. Like this. You can use the pencil hand method or the knife method. This is knife method and this is pencil hand method. You can use either kung saan kayo comfortable, and then gently tighten. Oh my god, what happened? Gently tighten the loop. Make sure this is not too tight or not too loose. Just right. Okay, just right to you can move the hook into the loop. Yeah, this is simple way of making a knot. Okay, so I will teach you again. Just make a loop using your yarn like this, and then pull the working yarn through the loop like this, and then you can create your own slip knot. Just like this. Okay, and then insert your hook into the loop, then adjust, gently tighten the loop. Okay, yan. This is easy. Now you have your slip knot. Okay, so how do we crochet? So we use this, our pinky finger, then pointing finger. We roll it, roll over, roll, and then we use this index finger and this thumb finger to hold the knot, so that we can make a chain stitch like this. Okay, at again, i-roll nyo dito sa hindi liit, sa hintuturo, and i-hold nyo ng inyong hinlalaki at itong ano tawag dyan, basta yun na yun, yung middle finger. Then yan, pwede na kayong mag crochet. Yan lamang po. Then, meron pang ibang technique na ituturo ko sa inyo. I will teach another. This is to those who are, who knew how to crochet. This is how we do it. Okay? First, we roll the yarn on the designated, fingers. We hold the end of the yarn like this. We use the hook. We yarn over, and then the middle finger and the thumb will hold the yarn, and then we roll it like this. Then we will yarn over. We pull the yarn through the loop that we hold like this. Oh my god, sorry. Like this, and then you can create your slip knot. Again, how do I did it? First, roll yarn over, roll it, and then hold, then yarn over, then pull through the yarn. Yan. Then you have a slip knot. So tip for making a slip knot, keep it loose so you can hook more easily. So now, congratulations, you made it. You created or made a slip knot. So now we're ready to crochet. See you in my next video. Bye bye.